guys, so you saw the footage of me getting my hair done. I did that yesterday and forgot to film before, so now I'm filming and here I am. This is my hair. Honestly, new hair just makes me feel amazing. When I had my hair locked, it was like that one style. Actually, I'll make a video of what my hair looks like before and then now, like the transition and why I did it. But in the meantime, hair in 2024, getting my hair done in 2024 is just a non-negotiable. Like, I absolutely love it. I feel amazing. It's one of the things in my self-care goals for 2024 to continue to do throughout the year. Yeah, it just has me feeling like that girl. So I'm excited to continue with it. You saw some footage from the salon. Shout out to my girl, Christine Exquisite. I will put her information in the video below. So if you are in the Toronto area and North York specifically and would like to get your hair done, I will give you the link. Hear me out, y'all. Ooh, I'm kind of liking the vibe right now. Hear me out. I'm a full-time working girly. I commute to work. I commute like an hour, so it takes me a while to get to and from, and then I have weekends off. So my maintenance routine is usually done on the days that I'm off, or I schedule appointments from early mornings before I head off to work, or yeah, that's pretty much it. At night, I know I'm not quite useful unless I'm doing self-care at home. I don't book my appointments for after work because I finished quite late and I don't want to be stuck in traffic rushing from appointment to appointment. When I think self-care, I think taking my time slow and just enjoying the moment. So as you saw earlier, I did my hair and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. But tomorrow I'm going to be doing my nails. I'm going to get a mani-pedi. So keep watching for that bit. And I'm going to explain why I choose what I choose on my nails. And yeah, I'm excited for you guys to see. With a busy schedule, something I like to do in my maintenance routine is a face mask. Girlies, 3 times a week, 3 to 4 times. Mwah! Beauty. As you saw my little Sephora haul before, I went to pick up a few things and this is what I ended up with. A Laneige sleeping mask for your lips. Dry cracked lips during the winter time, one of the best lip masks for your lips during the winter time and in general. Has it plump, glossy, the ingredients are good. I watched a bunch of like videos from dermatologists on YouTube researching what the best mask lip mask would be, not face mask, lip mask, and Laneige was the first one that popped up, and so I gave it a try, and I absolutely love it. My lips are so kissable, so juicy, so luscious when I use it. I like to use it at night and seal it with an ointment like a Vaseline. Next up is something that I've had my eye on for a while, and I'm obsessed with this. It's a non-gender scent. It is Replica by the Fireplace. It smells like roasted marshmallows or a s'more, but you have more of the smoky smell and the wood smell of the fire. It's an absolutely great winter scent, and I bought the little bottle because I wasn't quite sure if I wanted the big bottle and the lasting life of the perfume, so I bought it just to see what it would be like, and I'm obsessed. What's cool about Replica is they sell the packages that you can refill the bottles with also, so in the future I will be buying just the refill and have the bottle, the smaller bottle, as well as I don't have that much space for a perfume collection, so having this size is perfect as I want to collect more fragrances, and I also want to have a bunch of Replica fragrances. I thought it would be great to add this to my collection, so I bought this as a little spoil me. Sephora had a little sale, so I went off with it. And then I also noticed in my skincare routine, I was using a CeraVe under eye cream. It wasn't really doing much for me. It was very hydrating, but I needed to pair it with something. So I decided to get this because I saw a lot of craze on social media about it, and it seemed good. The last bit of my monthly maintenance is to continuously go to the gym, so I try to go 3 to 4 times a week, and I work out. I lift weights, cardio, stretching. It depends on my cycle syncing and what time of the month I'm at. You'll see me doing squats here. I absolutely love legs. I love my booty to be juicy, so I have a great workout. Comment below if you want me to do a video about what I do for my workout, and I can make that happen for you guys. In general, this is so far my monthly maintenance routine. I want to do more of these as I develop more things and get more beauty products. I absolutely love vlogging and making videos for the girls, a little pep talk for you. So if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe and comment and like. See you next time.